In this video we have listed the top 5 best air compressor on existing market.
We made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, durability, features, customer review and many more things. Are you new to this channel? You should connect with us, clicking by subscribe button. You should press the bell icon.
Best of 5. Tough Stuff Extreme Portable Air Compressor. Works on tires 35-inch and larger. Extreme duty cycles to fill multiple tires efficiently. Includes 26 feet coiled air hose quick connect nozzle. Custom carrying case. 5.65 CFM airflow per 150 psi. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Oil-free pancake air compressor. High efficiency motor for easy start-up in cold weather or extension cord application. 165 max 2.6 SCFM delivered at 90 psi enables long tool run time with quick recovery. 75.5 dBA noise level for a quiet work environment. High flow regulator and couplers maximize air tool performance. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 3. Digital Auto Portable Air Compressor. Tire inflator is easy to use. For on-the-go convenience. Once the psi reaches the threshold that you desire, turn off the car air pump. Tire inflator uses 12-volt DC power through car cigarette lighter. We use durable ABS plastic and stainless steel for this portable air compressor pump. Tire inflator with portable compact design makes it easy to carry. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 2. CISA Portable Air Compressor Pump. Support tire pressure preset and auto shut off when reaching target value to protect your tires from overinflation. 140 watt powerful metal motor delivers inflating air at a rate of 35 L per min. Large LCD digital display and built-in tire pressure gauge support 0 to 150 psi. Built-in 4 large bright LED lights for night darkness illumination Oregon travel emergency use. CISA air compressor can inflate tires of cars, bikes, sedan, and mid-size SUV. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 1. Dual battery portable air compressor. 12-volt portable air compressor for adding air to tires, 2.12 CFM free flow at 0 psi. Powered by direct connection to a car battery. Easy to read digital gauge and LED light. Includes ball inflation needle, 2 rubber blow tips, and carrying case. Digital gauge with auto shut off capability. Check the description for best price and details.